Hello guys and welcome back to another cleaning motivation. My name is Lois. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning back, thank you so much. May God bless you. Today's video I'll be deep cleaning my living room. More so I'll focus with the seats because they had a lot of food stains. Also I'll clean the walls. I'll do thorough cleaning in this house. Also I'll be changing my curtains. So stick around and tap on this cleaning motivation because this video is loaded with lots and lots of cleaning motivation. So to clean the seats, I start by dusting them. Then I use warm water with a microfiber towel, and in the water I put a detergent. That's all. It's very quick and easy. Watch till the end to see the amazing transformation of this living room. I want to thank each and everyone who has been subscribing to my channel. I've seen growth. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. Even for the returning subscribers, may God bless you. So this channel is all about cooking, cleaning and organizing. Also I'll be sharing with you my weight loss journey, tips and tricks of what has worked for me. If such content interests you, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a big thumbs up. It helps in this video to reach many. Also it will help in the growth of the channel. Thank you so much. Look at all that dirt that I collected behind the seats. Guys, remember to clean behind your seats. to iron the curtains using this steamer, and it works wonders. It did justice to these curtains. And this is the following days, guys, because I finished cleaning this living room very late at night. Oh my god, this steamer is a lifesaver. It did so well on my curtains. Look at how straight the curtains look. And this is the after all the cleaning, and I'm so grateful to each and every one of you who gave me ideas of putting the wall-to-wall curtain and ceiling-to-floor curtains. Also the painting the whole house white. It truly transformed this house. You can remember from my previous empty house tour. If you have not watched it, please go back to my videos and watch. This house are truly transformed from being drab to fabulous, and I can't wait for the next makeover, which will be my TV stand. So turn on the notification bell to be the first one to be notified of my next video. If you have come this far, thank you so much. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below. Also leave me a comment suggesting anything or giving me any ideas you may be having regarding this house. So that's all I had in store for you guys. Till next time, bye.